Okay, this time I'm going to set up an EasyOChem quiz that shows how to build a mechanism question. This one is a little bit trickier. Well, at least that it involves multiple steps. Okay, electron pushing is the question type. This time, the question and the answer will all basically be in the Marvin.js window. If you're showing a one-step mechanism, you can get the students to also show the products, but if you have multiple steps, then it's better if they have to, if you give them the products. At least that's my understanding of how it works. I'm explicitly drawing these H's in because of how the reaction is going to be. I find the drawing interface relatively intuitive, except for things like where that negative charge goes. Students sometimes have a little bit more trouble than I do. I want to be able to copy this molecule and paste it again, and you can do that, but you can't move where it got pasted to. So it's not really very handy. So you have to basically draw at a separate time. And you change the charges by using the plus or the minus sign, and that will remove the hydrogens. It is amazing the kinds of misconceptions you can figure out by having students answer questions like this. With the mechanism arrows. Okay, so that's the question. But now what we need to do is go in and put in the answer. Here's the curly arrow that we use to show the mechanism. And the standard one that likes to pop up is the fishhook arrow, which is not the one we want. We wanted the other one. So it's the standard, anyways, it's hard for students to get the one that they want. So I click on the atom, and then I need to click the lone pair to show it where to start. And I drag it to the H. That says that nitrogen is abstracting the hydrogen. Got my arrow for the first step. Arrow for the second step. Click here, click the lone pair, and then in the same motion, attack the carbon. Next arrow starts here, goes to the bromine. Okay, now I need to tell Moodle that that's the right answer. I pick Insert from Editor, and I need to tell it that that answer gets 100%. Now, in order to change this to be what the students are going to see, it's important that I go back and remove the arrows. Because what remains here is what the students will see when they get ready to answer the question. So now I saved the question and I can add it to my quiz.